everyone, welcome to HENCH hardware channel. Today we will introduce one kind of cabinet hinges. This is the soft closing type. It is two-way soft closing hinges, and it with the three-function adjust plate. This screw is adjust the up and down, and this screw is adjust this way. We will let you to see. You can see the plate, the clip-on part. It can go inside by this way and go out. It can adjust the space of your cabinet. And this screw is adjust. This hole is from the left to right. This side, these three directions. And this one, the cabinet hinges, the weight is 108 grams. It has full cover and half cover and insert 3 types. It also can with the cup cover and the arm cover. This hinge cover, this screw, have 48 and 45 millimeter for the distance. Both sides you can choose. Do you like this kind of hinges?